Alright, so you first Google voice meter banana, then you click on the link and you scroll down here, install the voicemeter.exe file. When you have installed it, you will have to restart your computer. When you have restarted it, make sure to plug in your headset and your headphones for your headset. Then you click here on the Windows Start button. You type in voice meter and you see there's two. You have to make sure you click on voice meter banana and not on voice meter. Then this opens and here you have to at A1 to define your headphones where you will play VR on, and at A2 you define your other speakers. Then you will have to define your microphone, which you have for your for VR. Then you go down to this little symbol with the speaker, make right click on it, you open sound settings, you click on sound control panel, then you make sure to right click, scroll down here and right click on voice meter output. Just make it set default, it's already set here. For playback the same, scroll down, voice meter input, set it to default. Then you scroll down here in your settings panel, you open app volume, devices and preferences. You choose a program you want to record into your microphone. In my case this is Mozilla Firefox, and set it to voice meter aux input. It's important that you use aux input and not default. So everything default will be led into here, and everything, the program you defined will be led into here. You see there's A1 and A2. These are your defined speakers up here. So everything, the normal sound here, which will be led into here, you can hear on both of your speakers, both of my speakers right now. I can turn off the one speaker so I don't hear it while I play VR. And here is the same thing. Now it's important that you also toggle B1. This is your microphone, so it will actually lead this sound also into your microphone. Also, if it isn't already, put your microphone also on B1. And that is everything. If you start your browser and play something on your browser, any sound, it will be fed automatically into your microphone input. Yeah, I made this program because I made this video because it really annoys me that people make long videos all the time just to rake in the ad benefit, and nobody really explains it well online.